Are you ready to unlock endless opportunities and take your language skills to new heights? Introducing IELTS at Skill Boosters, your passport to success. Whether you dream of studying abroad or immigrating to a new country, IELTS is the key that opens doors around the world. IELTS is the most recognized English proficiency test globally, trusted by millions of individuals just like you. It's designed to assess your listening, reading, writing, and speaking skills. So, are you ready to embark on an incredible journey? Get started with IELTS today and let your language skills shine. Skill Boosters, your gateway to a world of opportunities.